Hey, welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tent Talks. My name is Heather Frank and I'm one of the sales reps here. Today I'm actually out on a job site. I'm looking forward to installing a garden tent, a 50 by 75. Last week I had the pleasure of being out with Greenwich Tent installing a 50 by 100. The weather wasn't great. The conditions were pretty awful. So getting a Tuesday Tent Talk wasn't in the cards, and kind of hoping I'll get a little bit of some footage of this for you this week, because again, we're expecting some rain. So really excited. We were putting up today or this week a 50 by 75. I'm out here with Sugarplum. So our tent is going to be tucked back in here in this cute little nook from this absolutely gorgeous hotel. So we did it. We wrapped it up. This is the end of day 2. Yesterday we put the floor down and laid out a good chunk of the frame, and this morning we raised the tent, and then we proceeded to put all the sidewalls and roof panels and put the tent together. So yeah, it was very exciting. Sugarplum's crew did absolutely amazing, and we were very fortunate. The rain held off. It rained overnight and into the morning, but it just kind of stopped during the day, and then about a half hour, 45 minutes ago, it started raining again, but we were able to get everything done without it. Much different than last week, and I really am impressed by your tent guys. You guys are just awesome. Whether it was Greenwich Tent last week and Sugarplum this week, you guys get it done. It's amazing. It's a privilege to have been out here with you guys and to see what exactly it is that you guys do on a daily basis. And I give you mad props because I've got the easy job. Again, this tent is absolutely beautiful. 50 by 75. It's on 10-foot legs. It's not for the faint of heart, but it is a beauty, and I can't wait. I'm sure the event planner tomorrow is going to come in and just do a bang-up job making this look even more beautiful. Thanks so much to Greenwich Tent and Sugarplum for allowing me to come out on the installs with you guys. It was really a privilege, and it was great to see how you guys all work and how you keep your calm when I think inside I'm freaking out, like, how are we gonna get this done? How are we gonna finish that? And you guys don't budge an eye. You're like, yep, nope, it'll be done, it'll be fine. It's really cool. So I think maybe I need to take a lesson on how to chill a little bit. But just again, thanks so much for having us, and thanks again for joining us for another edition of Tuesday Tent Talks. If you have any ideas of what you would like to see, just send us a note and we'll see if we can get something out to you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for joining us.